In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all chats media on Discord. On PC, Discord makes it easy to keep track of conversations. But if you've been chatting for a while, finding a specific image, video, or file can sometimes take a lot of scrolling. Fortunately, Discord includes a built-in search feature that lets you quickly filter messages and display only the type of content you're looking for. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to use that feature so you can locate shared media in just a few moments. To begin, open the Discord app on your PC. Once Discord is open, navigate to the direct message or server where you want to find the shared media. Make sure you're inside the correct conversation before moving on, since the search results will be based on the chat you're currently viewing. Next, look toward the top right corner of the Discord window. You'll see the search bar, which is the main tool you'll use to filter the conversation. Click inside the search bar to activate it and get ready to enter your search criteria. Here's the important part. Instead of typing a regular keyword or phrase, you'll use Discord's search filters. Type the word has followed by the type of content you want to find. For example, if you're looking for shared images, type has:image. If you want to find videos, type has:video. Discord also supports other useful filters, such as has:link if you're searching for shared websites, or has:_file if you're trying to locate documents or other uploaded files. After entering the appropriate filter, simply press enter on your keyboard. Discord will immediately search the current conversation and display all messages that match your selected media type. This saves you from scrolling through long chat histories and makes it much easier to find exactly what you need. If you don't see the content you're expecting, double-check that you're searching in the correct direct message or server, and make sure you've entered the filter correctly. Using the proper search filter is the key to getting accurate results. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to view all chat media on Discord on your PC using Discord's built-in search filters. It's a quick and convenient feature that can save you a lot of time whenever you need to revisit shared images, videos, links, or files. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.